Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to change profile alias on Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook. Then we open the menu. In the upper right corner, we click on Settings. Here we select Meta Account Center. Then we go to Profiles. Here we select Facebook. Then we click on Name. At the bottom we have Manage Other Names. Click here. Now it's going to load like this. Here we need to specify nickname. You can put any name you want. Where it says name, you can put any nickname you want, like this. Now click Save. Exit. Close your page completely. And when you come back to your page, you should have your alias written on the side here. That's how easy it is to change your Facebook alias. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.